Ever wonder how to make $500 a day online? Intriguing, isn't it? The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for anyone with a computer and a little bit of ambition. Today, we're going to dive into the top tips and tricks that can help you bring in that kind of cash. First up, we have freelancing. Freelancing is the new 9-to-5. With skills ranging from writing to graphic design, coding, consulting, and more, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started. Remember, the key to successful freelancing is to deliver high-quality work consistently. Next, we delve into affiliate marketing. You promote a product, service, or site and earn a commission for every sale, visit, or subscription you drive to the company. It's a game of numbers. The more traffic you can direct, the more you'll earn. Thirdly, consider online teaching or tutoring. If you're an expert in a certain field, chances are someone out there is willing to pay to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or private tutoring sites can be a fantastic source of income. Our fourth tip is selling products online. Whether you're crafting homemade goods, flipping thrift store finds, or dropshipping products from a manufacturer, selling online through platforms like Etsy or eBay can be incredibly lucrative. Lastly, don't forget about creating digital products. From ebooks to online courses, music, and stock photos, digital products can be created, bought, and sold from the comfort of your own home. They require an initial time investment to create, but once that's done, they can provide passive income for years to come. To summarize, there are countless ways to earn money online. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, online teaching, selling physical or digital products, the potential to earn $500 a day is within your grasp. Remember, each of these methods requires commitment, skill, and sometimes an initial investment. But with dedication and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, you can tap into the vast wealth of opportunities the online world offers. So why wait? Start your journey towards earning $500 a day online today. The world is your marketplace and the internet is your platform. Make the most of it.